Okay, so you're going to start off by going emu.edu/appstream. And that should get you to this page where you just click Launch EMU Apps. And I've already done it. It's going to take a couple minutes, but on there, click on the command prompt. And that should get you here where you can then log in. Okay, and then here you're going to do pip install Pygame. And that should download it. Okay, and once it gets you the prompt again, then it's been done. I think we can click out of that. Then down here in the search, you can type idle. And there's a couple different things. Make sure you don't just press enter immediately. Well, I guess enter immediately might fill it in. You want this 3.8, so do click on that. And then if we type import Pygame here, we should get this screen because Pygame is now loaded. And you could do the similar thing with if you needed to, for example, NumPy. You would put it right there. Now, you're only going to have to do this with the modules that aren't built in. So random, math, all of these are built in, so you can just type them directly in the shell. This one here now, if we import numpy, we should be fine. But another one like import random, that one's built in, so we don't need to install that through pip. And then when you do log into your Appstream again, I believe you need to redo this, open it up in the command prompt again, install. So it's not ideal. It does take a couple minutes of startup, but then you can run anything you will. This is kind of like a virtual, it's not kind of, it is a virtual computer for you to have. And when you're ready, by the way, if you create files, blah, 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 and you save those files, just save them somewhere on your computer where you can access them later. Or feel free to email them to yourselves, whatever, make sure you're capturing those files somehow.